Hello everyone, this is Anubhav Madhav. In this video, I'll be unboxing a gift which I have recently received from Google. So without any ado, let's go. So let's see what has Google sent to us. It's a laptop bag. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Google. Let's see what's inside it. Is there anything else? No. So beautiful. Is there anything else? Wow. 2 more t-shirts. Also a sticker pack. Yeah, that's great. Size is perfect. Similarly, it's for the white one. The bag is also pretty amazing. I love it. That's cool, so cool. Pocket. So finally, it's Google Cloud. That's it. Thank you, Google.